Storm Track 7 forecast on KWWL.
Good evening and thank you for logging on. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We are done with the severe weather and storms for tonight. Our skies will become partly cloudy and we may see some patchy fog. Tomorrow, though, our threat tracker a little elevated because we'll have a couple rounds of storms, one in the morning and then another one later on in the evening. In between, we may see partly cloudy skies. And then for Memorial Day, more showers and more storms. So it is looking like a fairly rainy weekend here, but as we make our way into tomorrow, there will be a chance for some severe weather. The best chance will be on the west side of the viewing area from New Hampton to Owine and Waterloo, and maybe the west side of Cedar Rapids. Tama will be included in there as well. That will come as a line of storms approaches for the morning hours. Let's go through future track. First for tonight, the rain will push off to the northeast, and we're going to be pretty much done with it. We may see some lingering cloud cover in the north and maybe even some patchy fog developing across the area as there is plenty of moisture out there and our temperatures will cool down with the clear skies. And then as we make our way into tomorrow, there's that line developing in western Iowa. You see it does hold together for the most part, but it does start to weaken. So by 10 a.m., we may see some lingering showers and storms. Again, some of those could be stronger with some heavy rain, maybe some gusty winds and small hail. That will continue to make its way through throughout the late morning and early afternoon. It should be out by about 1 or 2 p.m. After that, we'll see partly cloudy skies on the day. And then as the heat and humidity builds, we'll see a chance for some storms developing out west. And that may track into the viewing area through the late evening and overnight hours. Some of those could also be on the stronger side. And as we start to make our way into Memorial Day, the rain showers, I think, become a lot more likely, especially for Monday afternoon and Monday evening. Overall, our humidity will be quite high as well. Dew points around 70 degrees for tomorrow. That's feeling borderline uncomfortable, and they'll stay in the upper 60s for Memorial Day before dropping down to the mid 60s on Tuesday, which is still slightly humid. So that heat and humidity will lead to a few storm chances, especially for tomorrow morning. But in the meantime, we'll track low temperatures in the mid and upper 50s, partly cloudy skies, and some patchy fog for tonight. That'll come with a light and variable wind. And then for tomorrow, our high temperatures could be the warmest day of the year so far. We'll be in the mid 80s. With that humidity, it'll probably feel even warmer. And I think we'll see some sunshine in between the storms for tomorrow afternoon. City by city forecast as we make our way into Memorial Day. Again, more showers and more storms. Temperatures will still be warm in the low 80s. And then for Tuesday, we'll track even more storms continuing as a stationary boundary sets up right overhead. Our temperatures cool down a little bit into the upper 70s and low 80s. Storm Track 7-day forecast. In fact, we'll have rain and storm chances for Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures still pretty warm in the upper 70s. We'll get more sunshine in here with a wind shift to the north on Friday and Saturday. So finally, it looks like a couple of dry days with some sunshine and at least some warm temperatures heading into next weekend.